Yo, woho, what's up? Yo, sob, balik lagi sama saya Agung. Ya sob, kita hari ini mau lanjut misi Call of Duty Pak, WW2 Pak. Ini misi yang ke-7 kayaknya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh ya, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oke. Death Factory Pak. Seperti biasa saya nggak tahu ini misinya ngapain. Cuman kita nebak-nebak aja, ini kan Death Factory, guys. Death itu mati, Factory itu apa ya? Factory itu kayak outlet factory itu ya mungkin ya. Kayaknya di sini banyak pembantaian Pak. Oke, sebentar. Ya. Itu kayak outlet factory. Ya, bakal banyak pembantaian sepertinya ya. Tapi saya nggak tahu karena saya mainnya kan cupu ya Pak ya. Pokoknya gua pra aja ya Pak, Spartan pokoknya ya. Jadi ya gas aja ya, oke?
After Aachen, nothing's gonna be the same. But we finally got a foothold into Germany. The gateway to the Rhine is open and there's no turning back for any of us.
Oh, tidak ada jalan untuk kembali Pak. No way back, oke? Kopla Pak. Ini nanti kalau semuanya ada kayak berhenti gitu ya maklum ya, itu RPS saya berarti down. Ini gamenya berat Pak, asli Pak. Oke, kita enter misi seperti biasa. Select difficulty karena kita pemainnya profesional jadi harus recruit.
Your orders were to take the hotel, not evacuate civilians.
Okay.
Who decided this was a rescue op?
We thought there was time, sir.
Last time I checked, Turner was in charge, not you. Is he making the calls now?
No, sir. It was my call. It's on me.
It's on both of us.
Yeah, well, right now, the last thing I should be worried about is if two of my best men can follow orders when we're on the verge of the biggest operation of the entire war. Let me remind you, this is the spearhead of our final drive to the Rhine.
Ini kayaknya
the
kita
whole damn forest to clear so the convoy can get
kemarin
through.
kan kita
So
nyelamatkan
from this point on, I'll accept
tawanan
nothing
gitu ya.
less than your best. Now get your insubordinate asses ready to move out.
Kayaknya kita disalahkan apa dimarahi gitu ya karena nyelamatkan tawanan itu.
It's been 3 weeks.
Nggak tahu ya.
We're in the Hurricane Forest now, clearing it so the convoy can get to the Rhine. I'm not proud to admit it's taken me this long to open your letter.
If it's over, we're here for you, pal. I tried to warn you.
College, let the man speak.
She's pregnant.
Whoa! Hey, that's huge.
Right, Daniels is gonna be a daddy.
Oke.
She's just trying to let me know.
Dia pacarnya hamil Pak. Pacarnya ini Pak.
All right. I could use another cup of Joe. Come on, you mooks, let's give him some space.
Ini kayaknya drummer ini Pak.
Sure you do.
Kemana-mana.
I'm sorry I waited to tell you about the baby. I tried to the day you were shipping out. The day you took my picture.
Kalau aduh, nge-lag. Duh, nge-lag Pak.
Everyone gather around.
Nge-lag Pak. Oke.
Davis is talking. Come on.
On my way.
Kalau ngelihat kayak gini-gini tuh jadi membayangkan kalau kita perang gitu loh Pak.
The Hurricane is dark and nearly impenetrable. Our mission is to take Hill 493.
Oke.
Whoever holds the hill dominates the valley. Now, for lesser men, this task might seem insurmountable. Our
Bertahan ini
division
kayaknya.
boasts a proud history of firsts.
Oke.
In World War I, we were first to hold off a German attack. First to launch a counteroffensive. First across the Rhine. Nothing has ever stopped us, and nothing ever will.
Never.
Lieutenant, tell them what we're all about.
No mission too difficult, no sacrifice too great. Duty first.
I can't hear
Duty
you.
first, oke.
No mission too difficult, no sacrifice too great. Duty first.
That's right. Now get ready to move out.
Oke. Duty first. Berarti ini
Duty first.
Oke.
Back to the old meat grinder.
Kayaknya kita berarti disalahkan masalah yang kemarin itu kita nyelamatkan apa?
Hey Daniels,
Oke.
can you do me a favor and bring some chow over to Willis?
Apa ini?
He's watching the perimeter. You got it. Much appreciated. He's overlooking the valley.
Saya nggak tahu itu disuruh apa bawa makanan ini. Emang kita apa Pak? Kurir Pak? Aduh, serah lah. Nggak apa-apa kah? Oh, ini Pak. Bro.
Compliments of the chef.
Makan dulu bro.
Thanks, buddy. How's it looking? See for yourself.
Oh.
Those guns aren't letting up.
It's been non-stop.
Apa Pak?
That's the plan.
Kacau Pak. C to exit. Oke.
Good luck out there.
Thanks.
Oh. Terus kita ke sebentar. Checkpoint. Oke. Kita ke balik. Oke.
First platoon, on me.
Iya, aduh. Ini tentara-tentara ini kayak nggak sabar gitu loh, Pak.
Our objective is to eliminate the hilltop artillery so we can hold the forest. First stage.
Tentara tapi kita yang disuruh ngapa-ngapain itu kita, Pak. Tentara apa ini? Kayaknya kita paling elit gitu loh, Pak.
We're gonna help them secure it.
Here she is. Davis assembled the biggest damned armored convoy ever.
If that don't put the fear of God in them crowds, nothing will.
Still a long drive to the Rhine.
That's why we need to hammer those guns to keep them alive.
Oh. Bentar, Pak. Sabar, Pak. Aduh. Kok orang-orang ini kesusu gitu loh. Santai, Bos. Ngobrol-ngobrol dulu, ngopi-ngopi dulu, Pak. Ini lo ada.
That's a pretty picture.
Kamu apa? Tentara musuh, kita harus tembak. Kejam Pak, membunuh orang yang sudah meninggal. Oke.
Everyone on me.
Tenang, Bos.
How you guys holding up?
Sons of bitches keep hitting us. Next wave could be any minute.
All right, first platoon, let's help these boys out. Push up, retake the front line.
Set up perimeter defenses.
All right, grab some mines and get those MGs ready.
Barclay, Cooper.
Ini buat apa, Pak?
Bridge and signal when you see movement.
Oh, plan.
We need to strengthen those defenses.
Taruh situ.
Place those mines.
Huh? Sir, I thought we were going to hit the artillery at Hill 493.
Tahu lah pokoknya kita plan sini aja.
We'll advance to the assembly point once the bridge is secure.
Sudah.
By these craters, it ain't gonna be easy.
Easy's not why we're here, Private.
No.
See these kraut dragons?
Kan sudah, Pak. Atau nggak pencet M.
Yeah, I think that's the idea.
Oke. Sudah.
Crowd's coming through the fog. Get back to
Oke.
Defense positions. Hold the line.
C.
Firing positions.
Oh, ini apa?
Prepare to engage.
They're coming. Get ready.
Oh, ini.
Engage.
Keren ini.
Fire!
Oke, nice, baby. Pak, ini kembalinya gimana, Pak? Oke. Kita kemana, Pak? Oh, defend. Oke. Mana? Oh, saya nggak tahu Pak. Biar mereka tembak-tembakan lah. Peduli lah. Oh, saya salah. Apa itu Pak? Deng Pak. Ampun Pak, saya nggak ikut Pak. Teman-teman saya Pak.
Enemies concealing their movement.
Sorry. sorry.
Fire! SS troops! Grenade out! Fall back position! Western bridgehead!
Fall back, bos! Fall back, aduh. Please. Alah kamu ayo.
Somebody help me!
Ayo.
I can't walk!
Apa? F.
Hang in there, buddy!
Aduh, lemah kamu. Kayak saya ini loh. Lari, Pak. Aduh, banyak, Pak.
They're trying to maneuver! Wasn't fast enough! Approaching from the south! Give a burning!
Oh, sebentar. Ada tanda ini.
Enemy infantry!
Kita suruh ngapain?
Enemy armor! Panzer inbound! Panzer! Check for mines, grenades, whatever you can find! Yes, sir!
Oh, kita ngapain?
Watch out!
Bentar. N.
Could use some ammo, sir! Here you go, Private!
Ini apa? F. Oke. Destroy tank. Aduh. Tank. Oke, sabar, bos.
Nice shot, Daniels! Get more fire on that thing!
Get more fire gimana, Pak? F. F. Waduh. Tembak saya kok cuma ini, Pak.
Hurry!
Mana, Pak? Oh, ini. Oke. Mana tanknya? Destroy tank. Mama mia, Zatos! Oke.
It's almost dead!
Launchernya di sana satunya. Oke. Mama mia, Zatos! Sini, come to Papa, baby. Bentar, saya swap F. Mas, peduli lah pakai ini, nggak apa-apa.
Good work, Daniels. First platoon, rally on me. We're coming, sir. Get over here.
Wah, kamu itu bisanya Daniel aja.
Let's move. Rally on me.
Rally on me, bentar Pak, saya ngambil pistol saya. Aduh, tembak saya tadi gimana ya?
Rally up.
Ya udahlah. Ayo.
We're gonna
hilang ya tiba-tiba tembak saya.
Pearson, you'll head north over the bridge to reach the hill. I'll follow the river with the squad to guard your advance. Assembly point will be the base of Hill 493.
See you soon.
Yeah, you be careful out there.
Yeah, you too.
Oke. Hati-hati, Susman.
Daniels.
Hope splitting up was the right move.
Oke.
We let the Krauts cross this river. They could have
Let's
the whole
go.
mission. That's why we're guarding Pearson's flank.
How far to the assembly point, sir?
We'll get to the base of Hill 493 soon. Just need to follow the river.
Kemana, Pak? Follow the river. Oh, ngikuti ini. Pak, ada suara tembak-tembak, Pak. Bahaya, Pak. Kembali, Pak.
We have to take them down, but we're outgunned. Gotta probe their flanks. Don't let them see you. Daniel, stay low.
Oke. Terus? Gimana, Pak, caranya, Pak? Hihi. Oke. Terus oh. Saya nggak, aduh kok nge-lag Pak. Bentar. Spartan. Oh, oke. Spartan. Ayo kon. Spartan kon. Kalah kon harus Spartan kon. Ayo. Loh. Malah gawe iki Pak. Oh, meninggal kamu. Ayo. FF. Saya nggak ada senjata Pak. Oh, ini bagus ini Pak. Sebentar Pak. Amo sebentar 6. Oke, aman bos. Oke. Oh, main deh sama saya ya.
Oh shit!
Oh, flashbang Pak. Oke. Supported Pak. Aduh, amin. Ampun. Run baby. Run for your life. Aduh. Kecantol Pak. Kecantol kejutan Pak. Awas. Oh, samping. Kiri, kanan. Oke. Oh, I'm hit. Aku gak perlu kamu ke hit. Udah, yang penting saya selamat Pak. Oh, meninggal. Oh, ini meninggal apa ceritanya memang gini Pak? Saya nggak tahu.
Get up, Red.
Oh, ceritanya Pak.
I know you better than anyone, so I know you still got fight in you. Can't give up.
Pak.
Not now, not ever.
Paul?
Krauts could be here any second, so show me what you're made of and get on your feet.
I'm afraid I won't make it.
You got to, Red. Hazel needs you, and so does your child. Now get up.
Iya. Kita punya anak Pak.
I will.
Pak.
Of course you will, because you don't know the meaning of quit. I got faith in you, baby brother.
Paul.
Ayo.
Paul.
Meet me at home, baby brother.
Baby brother. Oh.
Briggs.
Aduh.
Oh, God.
Oh. Aduh, cuman bawa pistol Pak. Sebentar. Oh, sekuatnya 21. Oke. Oh my God. Oke, sana.
Jesus.
Oke. Sebentar.
Oh shit!
Nakal ya. Ayo. Saya paling nggak suka sama anjing itu. Stay hidden. Oh, oke. Stay hidden. Sebentar. Ini kayaknya kita mengendap-endap ini, Pak. Oke. Situ ada musuh. kita ngedok, Pak. Wah, pelanggaran. Dikepuki dari belakang.
Gotta find the assembly point.
Bentar. 14 meter kok jauh sekali.
Jesus. Huh?
Oh shit!
Mana anjingnya? Lari aja, Pak. F. Oh, peduli. Lari aja, Pak. Oke, kayaknya di sini aman, Pak. Bentar. Oh. Bentar. Kita cari. Oh, tuner. Oh, sorry, tuner.
Let's move. Assembly point's not far.
Oh. Kita berhasil dengan lari, Pak. Memang lari adalah senjata paling hebat. Oh, sebentar. Saya cari senjata, Pak. Oke, ini aja. Kita ke... Oke. Ternyata tadi lari juga, itu ya. Mengendap-endap segitu. Aduh. Sampai segitu, Pak, mengendap-endap ya, meninggal, Pak. Kelamaan, lari aja, ada kit banyak.
Looks too run down to provide much defense. Crowd's probably abandoned it. Think they'll be back? Hope not anytime soon.
Sebentar.
See any of our guys out there?
No, sir.
Hope they made it to the assembly.
Sabar. Wah, ya sabar. Kita cupu gitu loh, padahal perang lari, Pak. Tentara macam apa ini, Pak?
Listen. It's water.
Okay.
River must be close.
Huh? I'm praying our boys found cover from that artillery.
We'll back them up. Don't you worry.
Sabar. Hati-hati
Here's
aja.
the river. Just gotta follow it to reach the assembly point.
And then silence those guns.
Oh, itu, Pak, tempatnya, Pak. Oke. Kita tinggal berapa, Pak? Tinggal berapa orang nih, Pak? Duh, kita berdua tok, Pak. Gila, Pak.
Sniper! He's up in that bunker. Gonna flush him out. Stay low.
Shift. Kok saya nggak bisa tiarap? Oke. Bisa ternyata. Apa, Rek? Aku ditembaki. Kelontang. Oke.
Head down.
Iya, sudah, Pak. Malah kamu yang enggak. Oh, itu loh, Pak. Ada sniper, Pak, kayak itu, Pak. Ada sniper, Pak, di situ, Pak. Oke.
He got one of ours.
Check the flanks. See if we can reach him.
Somebody help, Pak. Mesti ini.
Somebody help me.
Jangan berisik. Tenang.
Help!
Huh?
Please help me.
Babain, sabar kamu kalau mau. Iya. Di sini.
Somebody help me.
Di mana, Pak?
Help! I can't walk.
Lewatnya lo lewat mana, Pak D?
Please help me.
Iya.
Somebody help me. I can't walk. We're gonna pull you in.
Sit tight.
We'll get him. We need to hurry.
Oh, di situ. Aduh.
Help!
Aduh, Pak, sniper, Pak.
I can't move.
Sakit, Pak.
He got one of ours. Check the flanks. See if we can reach him. Help!
Terus gimana, Pak?
I can't move.
Oh, dari sana. Oh. Sakit, Pak.
Please help me.
Terus gimana?
I can't move.
Aduh.
I can't walk. Help!
Susah, Pak.
Somebody help me.
Oh. Sebentar.
Pull you in. Sit tight. We'll get him. We need to hurry. I can't move. Let's get the drop on this from here.
Bentar.
Fire. You flush him out. I can't walk.
F.
Somebody help me.
Bentar. Meninggal duluan. Sorry. F.
I got you covered. He's not alone.
Kayaknya itu pancingan nih, Pak. Oke. Kita pakai sniper kayak gitu enak paling, Pak. Oke. Sebentar. Saya balik dulu, Pak. Ini ada. Loh, komandan kita tadi di mana, Pak? Kok dia ngilang, Pak? Ini, Pak. Komandan kita tadi di mana, Pak? Waduh, sniper ini. Sebentar. Saya bingung ini. Komandan kita tadi di mana, Pak? Saya penasaran mau nyari dia, Pak. Oh, kamu di sini ya? Saya tak ke sana. Oke. Ngapain ya dia kok di situ? Oh, kampret kamu ya. Berani-berani kamu sama saya. Apa ini? F. Oh, jelek. Ke sini. Oke. Sebentar. Jangan-jangan di sini ada sesuatu gitu. Oh.
He's down.
Oke.
Moving out. On me.
Kamu ya. Sebentar. Ini tuh. Ini saya ganti sama ini aja, Pak. F. Sip. Dia nembaknya dari mana ya, Pak? Oh, gini tadi. Oke. Sip. Kita bawa sniper sama tembak jarak jauh.
That soldier didn't have to die. Let's move. Assembly point's not far. Hope our guys got there okay.
Oke, kita ke sana. Oke. Lewat mana, Pak? Oh, lewat sini. Oke. Saya bingung itu panahnya gini loh, Pak. Gini, Pak. Gini, Pak. Nggak kelihatan di kamera. Ini waktunya pakai sniper, Pak.
Daniels, we need to help our squad clear the area.
You got it, sir.
Oh. Oke. Gila, Pak.
Is that you? Lieutenant, they've got us pinned. Daniels, we need to help our squad clear the area.
You got it, sir.
Aduh. Caranya gimana ini, Pak?
Daniels, we need to help our squad clear the area.
You got it, sir.
Loh, Pak. Kita kemana, Pak?
Daniels, we need to help our squad clear the area.
You got it, sir.
Alah. Itulah namanya pembunuhan, Pak. Itu namanya pembantaian. Oh, kamu masih hidup ya, nakal ya. Bentar.
Falling back to the house. Push up. Gotta clear the area.
Ammo, Pak.
I need ammo, sir. Here you go, Private.
Kita ke mana?
Enemy moving.
Oke, kita ke sana ya. Oh. 6. Oh.
Lob it a grenade.
Tembak dari belakang cuma gini tok, Pak. Dikira dia loro encok, Pak. Gaplek. Oke.
That's the last of them. Good job, Daniels. Squad, fall in at the bridge. We'll hold the mill as a staging ground.
Ditembak dari belakang cuma megangi.
On my way, sir.
Not another gila.
Oh. Snipers, get the cover.
Mana cover?
Fire on them. There's a sniper out there. To the northeast. In front of us. Communists here. Germans ahead. Don't bunch up. Straight to the zone. To the northwest.
Okay.
Enemies moving. Advance drills. Daniels, grenades and smokes. There's more coming. Grab what you can and hold this position. Target at 12 o'clock. Cover.
Okay.
Enemies moving. Moving in from the north.
Press forward. Engineers, quickly now.
M.
Send them this way. Coming at you! Let's go! Toss it out a grenade! Get your ammo, Daniel! Half track! Throw the grenade! Enemies moving!
Kita suruh ngapain, Mbak?
Chris is making a break for it!
Saya bingung ini. Saya bingung ini suruh ngapain sebenarnya. Oh, ini apa ini? Oke.
We'll hold him off. Stay alert. Get some ammo, Daniels.
Siapa Pak yang nembak, Pak? Oh, ini. Pintar.
Got your ammo, Daniels.
Okay.
Hold this position until Pearson gets here, then we take the hill together. Guess the guy passed the mill and went for it himself.
He doesn't have the manpower.
It's never stopped him before.
Said we wait here.
Oh.
That's what we're gonna do. No disrespect, sir. But what if Styles was right and Pearson did go ahead? Let me worry about that, Daniels.
My gut tells me something's off.
Rokok saya mana, Pak?
If I made decisions based on your gut private, you'd still be on the boat at Normandy.
Exactly.
Oh, ini.
You heard how Pearson's platoon got wiped out at Kasserine? Looks like history's repeating itself.
It better not. I want to know what really happened there.
Yeah. Well, I don't have the guts to ask Turner. But I know someone who does.
Oke. Sudah?
Our mission is to knock out the German artillery together. But if Pearson sees an opening, he'll take it. Squad be damned. There's a storm brewing between Turner and Pearson, and it's only gonna get worse.
Ternyata untuk misi Death Factory ini termasuk pendek ya, nggak kayak yang kemarin itu lama banget, Pak, asli. Saya sampai pusing, stres, Pak, kemarin, Pak. Gerakin tanknya itu susah, Pak. Kalau kalian lihat itu saya miso-miso tok, Pak. Aduh, jadi maaf ya. Oke, sob, makasih buat teman-teman yang udah nonton bareng saya, udah nonton live saya. Buat teman-teman besok yang nonton offline-nya juga, makasih udah nonton. Jangan lupa like, jangan lupa subscribe. Dan akhir kata, oh ya, besok kita lanjut lagi untuk misi yang selanjutnya ya, sob ya. Oke, akhir kata, happy gaming and see you, sob.